Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have another fantastic spelling game for you. It is a game that kids absolutely love and really helps them to learn their letter sounds for their letters. Now, the game is called Splash, and if you like the video, please do me a favor, hit the like button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel called Mr. K Teaching, please hit the subscribe button as well, and that'll be greatly appreciated. Excellent. Anyway, let's get into what you'll need to set up this game or activity. Well, first of all, you will need water balloons. You'll also need a black marker, a bucket, also letters on paper. Now, the letters that you're going to put on these pieces of paper or card will be uppercase letters, and also sticky tape. Now, how do you set up this game? Well, first of all, grab a water balloon, fill it up with water, and then write on it a lowercase letter that you want the student to actually practice their letter sounds for. Do this for a number of balloons and then put them into the bucket. Then after that, write on the pieces of card or paper we talked about before the uppercase equivalent and stick them to the wall of a building. And then finally, put down a marker on the ground that the student would stand behind to throw their water balloon at the cards that we've placed on the wall of the building. Then, gameplay. How do we actually do this activity? Well, first of all, what you've got to do is get player number one to pick up a balloon, and then they have to try and tell you the name of that letter and also the sound that it makes. Now, if they can do that, then they get the chance to actually go ahead and find the uppercase letter on the wall and throw the water balloon at it. If they can't do that, then they actually have to put the water balloon back into the bucket. Now, it's important here that if they don't know the name or the letter sound for the balloon that they've picked up, that you actually talk about it with them and, help them learn it at that time. And then finally, if they do find the correct uppercase letter on the wall, they do get to throw the water balloon at that uppercase letter, which is a lot of fun. Excellent. Anyway, let's watch some of the activity of kids actually doing this. Okay, here we go. Choose one. Okay, what letter's that? Good, what sound does it make? Good, sir, go find your letter and hit it. What's the name of your letter? T, what sound does it make? Good, go find it, throw it at it. What's the name of your letter? Okay, variations and reminders. Well, what could you do differently actually to make this game a little bit more engaging? Well, what you could do is say, for example, instead of throwing the water balloons at a target on the wall, you could use this method where they have to actually read out the letter's name and its sound to determine who gets water balloons for an all-out skirmish. Great idea for a hot day. Another thing that you could do is allow your student to read your balloons to stop you from actually getting them. Okay, so that's another incentive to actually get them motivated. Another thing you could do is use it for different subjects like maths or science. You could also write questions on the balloons, for example, what's the capital of Australia? And finally, the last thing that you could do is add some sort of scoring system to this whole event. Excellent. Listen, I hope you enjoyed that game and you get a lot of enjoyment playing it at home or in the classroom. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day. Bye.